Now, the part we want to assemble goes like this. First of all, in the box itself, we have this sheet. Its purpose is basically to help us position the holes. We actually only need 2 holes, one at the top and one diagonally. That means we'll drill 2 screws into the wall and we'll position it while looking here and making sure everything is straight. Once it's straight, we stretch the template sheet, stick it on, and make a hole here and a hole here. That's one option. Second option, we'll take and remove the stickers from here, from these areas. These are 3M stickers, and we'll add and reinforce points in this part, the part with the notches of the teeth, with silicone, glue, and basically we position the touchpad in the right place, align it, and stick it on firmly. Hold it for about 10 seconds. We want to make sure afterwards that it's secure, so we'll remove it by hand, try to push it from the side, and it doesn't move. It's best to stick it only on mirrors, or alternatively on glass or ceramic that is very smooth and without holes or anything else that could interfere with the adhesion.